Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you stuff, and I have a squishy package that came because I was at my friend's house and they were just on my bed now, and my brother and sister already opened the package they were in, but like they were in separate wrapping, so they didn't open them. And I need to tell you, so yesterday I got these earrings, like clip-ons, because I'm going to be getting my ears pierced this year, but I just thought I'd get some clip-ons, and little ice creams, and it's got shiny at the top. Also, on Monday, I got something from Smiggle. I got this really, like, glitter. By the way, upstairs it's really noisy because my dad and my uncle are doing some work on the house. So that it's got a K, kitty, so yeah. So I got that, and I also got this cute little keyring, and it says on it best because it makes up, because there were 5 keyrings, and on each of them it has a flower and what it says, and it's like got a little animal, very noisy, and it says it makes up always, best, friends, forever, and then one of them says ever, so it's like forever, ever, so yeah. I just need to go get something that I also got today. I'm going to be showing you that, guys, so let's go get it. Okay, so I got this lipstick from Boots, but it's like, it was only £3 because the other was $5.99, but it was like 70% off or something. Yeah, I think it was $2.99. I'm going to be putting that on because it was like, it's not the nicest lipstick because we didn't know what it would look like. So I got a mirror here, so I'm just looking into it. Okay. Okay, so now I got the squishy. So the first squishy I'm going to be opening is this. It's meant to be jumbo, but it doesn't seem very jumbo, but yeah. So this, not class as squishy, and I'm going to be opening this one. So they actually look really big on camera, but they're actually not that big. I thought this would be the pearl shell one, but it's actually different. So really cool, like it's actually really small. So yeah, be opening this first. I do have 2 other squishies that are meant to be coming, but they haven't arrived yet, so I'm meant to be having a milkshake, and I think, yeah, it's a chocolate milkshake, and I'll be having a rainbow strawberry. So let's just open this first. So first I'm going to squish it in the packaging. Oh my gosh. So it's rising. I'm just going to wait till it rises to open it. It may be a while. Okay, so I think it's rised. Oh, so yeah, so that's that, and then it's in a little cling film. Alright. Oh, it's like so soft. So here it is. Oh my gosh. So here. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Pretty good squishy. Oh my goodness, I love this. There. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, so that is that squishy. It's like amazing. So I'll probably rate this out of 10. So I'll rate it out of 10, probably 8, because I thought it'd be like this big. It's just this. I'll probably rather do it. Okay, so yeah, that is that one. There we go. So now, so noisy upstairs. Okay, so now I'm gonna open my jumbo. Made in China. Everyone's made in China as well. Yeah. So I'm gonna do this. Also, my brother got a watermelon one, and my sister got a tooth one with a pink strip. Okay. So I'm gonna put it in packaging. Okay, this is just, oh my god. Okay, this is really cool. I'm just gonna wait till it's finished rising. Okay, so it's finished rising. Also, I made some slime at my friend's house, so I'm gonna show you that. So, this one isn't in control. It seems like so much bigger, like... Okay, this is just amazing. So now I'm gonna squish it. So it has got like... So that's what it is. It has got a little weird thing there. And it has a few like holes, but it's fine. So that's how, what it's compared to my head. Not very big, but it's actually like, it kind of fits like almost. So here we go. Oh my gosh! This is just amazing. I didn't think it would be like this. Take it down, girl. I'm weird. Okay. Okay, I just love this so much. It's taking forever. I just want to open more. So this one is really cute. And then I don't know what it is. But in the comments, you can be like, okay, this girl is weird. I know. So yeah, just wait till it rises. This takes for flipping ever. Okay. So here, banky bank. So I'll bank. Give each one a squish. It really annoys me when like you squish them and it takes forever to rise, but like you want to wait for them to rise to move on to something else. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the slime that I got. Oh my gosh, I love those. So I made this slime and I made it out of PVA glue, contact lens solution and shaving foam. A lot of contact lens solution. And this was contact lens solution, so I am allowed to play with it because like I can't use like Almac ones. Oh, you can't even see it. I need to do it so my camera, so you can see it. It's not very good poking because it's like feels just like shaving foam. It literally only feels like shaving foam. But yeah. It's not that stretchy. Well, it leaves like shaving foam on your hands. Today in the pharmacy we were like looking at, I think it was concealer or what's the other one called? I don't know. I don't wear makeup. I just got this lipstick. I only got that. I don't wear makeup or anything because it irritates my skin. Only lipstick is alright because obviously I'm not going to have like eczema on lipstick and it doesn't affect it. But it's quite jiggly. But yeah, we were looking at them and like putting them on our hands to see what it was like. Well, my friends were, and then like and then I did one and it was like so dark. It made my hand orange. It was so funny, but the lady told like us off. Like, well, she didn't tell me off because like I wasn't really doing it until like afterwards. But she told me it was off because they were like putting it like there under their eye and that. So it was kind of like, you know, because other people have touched it and everything and put it all over their hands or something. You don't know where people's hands have been, you know. So yeah. don't think I'm weird and I have problems, because I do. Okay, so yeah, this is not an embarrassment. Okay, I'm just totally not weird. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and don't forget to get these squishies, because they are like they're actually really good squishies, and I will have another squishy video coming maybe within the next few days, because they're meant to come between the 19th and the 19th of February and the 1st of March. I think it's the 13th or 14th today. Let me just ask Alexa. Alexa, what is the date today?
It's Wednesday, February 14th.
Yeah, 14th. So yeah, it's the 14th today, so they'll be coming in a few days maybe, because these came early, so hopefully the other ones will be coming early. And in the other video, I'll be with my sister, my younger brother, and my older sister, Phoebe and Felix. So you can see them. I don't think Phoebe's been in my videos before. She's been like in the background, but I don't think she's actually like been in them. So that'll be. You can get to see my sister. You've probably seen her, I think, maybe in some of them. I don't think you have. And I've been posting lately because I just can't bother. So yeah, I've only done 3 videos. But like, I'm not like one of those people who like do a post every day and they're like, oh, I haven't been posting lately and stuff. And they're like, oh, I'm sorry, I haven't been posting lately. But people don't actually care whether you've been posting lately or not. So yes. But yeah. So, nobody's gonna like this, but yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, you're probably not gonna. So, please leave a comment as well, because I want to see what people would think about my videos, because I really, like, I don't get comments. Nobody has commented, except for my brother, and he did it, like, sarcastically, which is annoying. But yeah, so that's annoying. But, you know, so nobody's actually commented, and people have watched it but just not commented. So please comment on the video, whatever you feel. I don't care if you hate my videos, whatever. I just want to see what people would say. So say, oh, hate videos, they're really bad. Don't care. Just say what you want. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Bye.